Hello there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we certainly have some exciting ground to cover as we discuss the ultimate streaming experience one can have with the Roku 4K streaming device. This remarkable device has been meticulously crafted to deliver outstanding 4K picture quality combined with outstanding HDR video playback, ensuring a crystal clear and vivid viewing experience on your TV screen. No longer do you have to deal with the frustration and annoyance of having to deal with annoying lag and buffering issues when streaming. The Roku 4K streamer has been brilliantly designed to provide a seamless and uninterrupted streaming experience, even when connected to a slightly slower wireless network. With a faster internet connection, you can be sure to enjoy a smooth and uninterrupted video streaming experience, perfect for binging your favorite shows, catching up on the latest films, or even binge watching your favorite series. And let's not forget, all you need to do is use one remote control to power up your TV, adjust the volume levels to your liking, and control your Roku device seamlessly. No more trying to juggle multiple remotes while trying to enjoy your favorite content. Featuring an impressive list of cutting-edge features like its 4K picture resolution, HDR color support, and a 4096 by 2160 pixel resolution, the Roku 4K streaming device is a game-changer in the world of streaming devices. It also supports and streams a wide variety of popular streaming services, including Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, V, and loads more. So, whether you're eager for the best streaming experience ever and want to elevate your movie watching game, or you're simply looking for an enhanced viewing experience, the Roku 4K streaming device is definitely worth checking out. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more tech updates, news, and announcements. Enjoy your browsing experience.